Hello all, welcome to weekly analysis on both Bank Nifty and Nifty. Along with that, we will be checking for intraday and swing trades as well for this week. Now, when you see over here, let me open my drawings over here. When you see over here in the Bank Nifty, it has made a clear flag type pattern, right? Let me mark it. This is a flag type pattern in which the Bank Nifty is in correction phase. As we have discussed in the previous week analysis as well, Bank Nifty is in correction phase, and the same thing is happening over here. Still, Bank Nifty hasn't completely crossed this consolidation area, but it has given a fake breakout thing scenario over here. We can't say this is a fake breakout scenario until and unless if it crosses 42,000 and sustain above it. What might happen over here is, as Bank Nifty has made a flag type pattern, if it crosses 42,000 over here, a small retest to 42,000 and upside momentum, in which we can see a all-time high as well. Or if it touch this trend line, I mean this resistance area, and from here we can see another fall till this support area, which is 38,000 level. Okay, this is the weekly analysis on Bank Nifty. Let's go on our top-down analysis. Let me show you my drawings over here. The same thing I have marked over here. Let's move to daily time frame. On the daily time frame, when we see over here, this was our support area, which was got breakdown, but it hasn't sustained below the support area. Again, Bank Nifty sustained above the support area level, which is showing the scenario that Bank Nifty having some strength over the support area, and it may bounce back till 40,000 or 40,500 levels as well, till this level. Let me go to hourly time frame to show you clear scenario. Hourly time frame, when you see over here, Bank Nifty has been taking support on this trend line, right? It has been taking support on this trend line and given a bounce back. Now itself, we can't say that Bank Nifty has turned into a bullish until and unless if it sustained above this resistance area. Why we are saying this resistance area means Bank Nifty has made a lower low, lower high, and crossed this lower low. Now this is a crucial area which is as lower high. If it sustain above this lower high, then only we can say that Bank Nifty has turned into bullish. Now we have another resistance area as well, which is this trend line area. If it sustain above this trend line as well, then there is a high probability that we can see 40,800 level in coming days. If you want to plan for swing trade, then you just need to wait above this trend line and above this resistance area for bullish trades, or for selling side trade. What you can do is, if you find any resistance over here, any bearish candles at this resistance level, then you can go for selling side trade till this support trend line. Or if this support trend line also got breakdown, then you can plan for a trade till 38,800 level again. We may see a small spikes over here, like wicks over here, and from here we may see upside momentum, in which we can expect a head and shoulder pattern, right? This type pattern we can expect, but we can't say exactly this type pattern. It may happen. Now, what our scenario is, if it sustain above this trend line, then we can plan for swing trades till 40,800. If it sustain above 40,800 also, then our next target will be 41,200 level. Or else, if it getting rejections over this trend line and resistance levels, then we can plan for selling side trade till this support trend line. Or if this support trend line also gets breakdown, then we can plan a trade till our for 38,800 level. After 38,800, if it sustain below it for longer time, then we can plan a trade till 38,000. This is a rare scenario as of now while looking for this chart. Now moving to our intraday time frame, that is 15 minutes. Let's move to intraday time frame. Now on 15 minutes, you can see that the Bank Nifty is in clear channel, right? Let me show you the channel. Bank Nifty is in clearly this channel. Now, when this channel gets breakout or breakdown, then we can make a good trade either upper side or downside. For downside, we'll be having very small stop loss over here. From there, we can expect a trade till 38,800 level. Or else, if it crosses and sustains above this upper trend line, then there is a high probability then we can see 40,600 easily. And if it crosses and sustain little bit above 40,600, then we can have a high probability that it will touch 40,800 as well in intraday itself. Or if it shows any bullish scenario on hourly time frame, then we can plan swing trades there itself. Now this is the analysis on Bank Nifty from weekly analysis to our intraday levels, where we can plan both swing trades and intraday trades. Now moving to Nifty levels, you can see this is Nifty on weekly time frame. The Nifty is also in the same phase. Let me show you. You can see it has given a very good upper side, a small retest. Then it crossed all its high. It is all-time high record. Then it is coming for retest. Now it has reached its support area. right? From here, it may sustain at higher levels and gives breakout to this flag pattern, which we have discussed in the Bank Nifty as well. In the Nifty also, we can see a small flag pattern. If it sustains above this flag pattern and crosses this high, which is forming as lower high in weekly time frame itself. If it sustains above this level, then we can plan a trade till next resistance level. And if it sustains over here, then we can plan till all-time high as well in the Nifty. Now let me show our drawings as well over here. The same thing we have marked, this is our support area, and this was the another support area which got breakdown, but it has been sustaining below this level, but it reached next support easily. It has reached, right? Now moving to daily time frame to plan our trades. Now while looking on the Nifty side, Nifty has been making red candles from past 1 week, right? It has been making only red candles. It hasn't given a proper pullback or proper correction in the downtrend itself. So what we can expect is in coming week, in this week, we can expect a small green candle which may halt over here itself. Or if it is showing somewhat strength, then it may cross this resistance also, which is 17,500 area. Let's move to hourly time frame to plan our intraday trades. Now on hourly time frame, we can easily see that Nifty is also in the channel. This is the Nifty channel. And if it crosses either upper side or lower side, along with crossing the resistance areas, then we can plan a good trades. Now you can see over here, this is 17,200 level, which is a very crucial level for Nifty. If it sustains above this level and gives a small retest, we don't need to go. If it crosses 17,200, we need a good confirmation, that is breakout, then retest. After retest, if it is giving bullish scenario, then we can plan a trade till 17,400 to 17,500 levels. Or else, if it crossing this low, which is 17,000, and let me show you what exactly this is. This is 16,950 level. If it's sustaining below this level, then again we can plan for a trade till 16,800 to 16,700 levels. But as of now, Nifty is also showing somewhat strength at its support area. If it's sustaining above 17,200, then we can plan a small swing trade till 17,500. If it sustains 17,500 also, then we can have another trade till 17,600 to 17,700 also. But for that, we need more confirmation. I will be updating all those levels in our Telegram channel as well. You can check the Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Let's move to our intraday time frame, that is 15 minutes. While looking on the 15 minutes time frame, Nifty is in triangle pattern. What we need is we need a closing above this candle to plan a small trade till 17,200, or if it getting rejection from 17,200, then again we can plan a trade till 17,011. Not exactly like we have to go for 17,000 to 17,200 levels. We have to plan our risk management along with the risk to reward ratio as well. This is the analysis on both Bank Nifty and Nifty from weekly to intraday time frame. If you like the analysis, click on the like button and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel to get more amazing videos on trading along with our daily vloggings. Thank you.